Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where today we are going to talk about Spotify. So, in this video, we will be discussing what it is, how it works, the system requirements, installation guide, basic usage, and lastly, we'll also try to cover some commonly asked questions about it. So, stay tuned till the end. And before we start with the video, if you are new here, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe without any further delay. Let us begin with what is Spotify. So, Spotify is a digital music streaming service that gives you access to millions of songs, podcasts, and videos from artists all over the world. You can listen to music online or download it to listen to it offline. You can even play music videos and podcasts on Spotify. It is available across various platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, and web browsers. You can use Spotify on multiple devices simultaneously. How does Spotify work? So, Spotify operates on a freemium model. The free tier is supported by ads, but has limited functionality compared to the paid version. The premium tier is ad-free and offers extra features such as offline listening, better audio quality, and more. Now, unlike other music streaming services like Apple Music, Spotify uses a combination of peer-to-peer technology and traditional client-server streaming to deliver music. This means that in addition to connecting directly to its servers, Spotify can also get music from other PCs on the network, making it more efficient. For audio, it mainly uses the OG Worbis audio format. However, it is worth noting that only premium users have access to the higher bitrate versions of songs. Here's a breakdown of the bitrates used by Spotify. So, with the free tier, users get a maximum bitrate of 96 kbps. With the premium tier, users can enjoy music at 160 kbps and 320 kbps. Furthermore, Spotify leverages sophisticated algorithms to provide personalized music recommendations to users. One notable example of this is their Discover Weekly feature, which curates a playlist of songs based on the user's listening habits. This helps users discover new music they might enjoy and keeps the music discovery process exciting. Moving on to the technical architecture of Spotify, it employs a client-server architecture to deliver music to users. The Spotify app acts as the client, handling user interactions and requests, while Spotify's servers store and manage the music catalog. When a user wants to listen to a song, the Spotify app sends a request to its servers, which then locate the song and stream it back to the app. Spotify utilizes several technologies to ensure seamless music streaming. It uses a combination of TCP and UDP protocols for communication between the client and server. Additionally, Spotify employs a content delivery network, CDN, to cache music data closer to users, reducing latency and improving playback. And now, let's discuss the system requirements. So, for PC, it requires Windows 7 or later. In terms of processor, it needs 1 GHz or faster. For RAM, it should be 512 megabytes or more. For storage, it needs 100 megabytes of free space. And obviously, you need an active internet connection. Now, for Mac OS, it requires OS X 10.11 or later. It is compatible with Intel processor. It needs 512 megabytes or more of RAM and 100 megabytes of free space. And again, an active internet connection is required. Next, let's look into the installation guide. So, for Windows installation, go to the official website, click on Get Spotify, run the downloaded.exe file, follow the instructions in the installation wizard, and launch Spotify after installation. For Mac OS installation, go to the official website, click on Get Spotify. Open the downloaded.dmg file, drag Spotify to your Applications folder. Open Spotify from Applications. Okay, now, once you have Spotify installed, let's see how to use it. So, creating an account. So open Spotify, click on Sign Up, choose to sign up with your email, Facebook, or Apple. Fill in the required details and verify your email if needed. After signing up, you can start exploring Spotify's vast music library and personalize your listening experience. Okay, now navigating the interface. The Home tab displays recommended content based on your listening habits and preferences. You can browse new releases, featured playlists, and recommendations from Spotify's editors. The Search tab allows you to find specific songs, artists, or podcasts using keywords. You can search for content from the entire library or narrow down your search to specific categories such as artists, albums, or playlists. The Your Library tab lets you access your saved music, playlists, and other content. You can add songs, albums, and playlists to your library for easy access. You can also organize your library by creating folders to group similar playlists or artists. Playing music. To play music on Spotify, first search for the desired song, artist, or album. Click on the relevant result to access the song page. On a song page, use the playback controls at the bottom to play, pause, or skip tracks. You can adjust the volume, repeat, or shuffle options as per your preference. If you're enjoying a particular song or artist, you can save it to your library for future reference. Now, moving on to advanced features. Creating a playlist. To create a playlist in Spotify, click on Create Playlist under your library. Give the playlist a name and an optional description. Click Create to save the playlist. Then, search for songs you want to add to your playlist and drag them to the playlist in the left sidebar. This allows you to organize your favorite music and easily access it whenever you want. And finally, we have Spotify Connect. Spotify Connect enables you to seamlessly switch playback from one device to another. You can control the playback on one device, such as your phone, and continue listening on another device, such as your laptop or speaker. This feature allows for a convenient and flexible way to enjoy music across multiple devices. Lastly, let's look at some keyboard shortcuts. So, for Windows and Mac OS, play or pause, spacebar, C2RL plus right, CMD plus right. Previous track, C2RL plus left, CMD plus left. Volume up, control up, CMD plus up. Volume down, control down, CMD plus down. And now we will be looking at some commonly asked questions. So, Spotify won't open. Spotify refuses to open. There are a few steps you can take. First, you can try restarting your computer. This simple step often resolves minor issues that could be affecting Spotify's ability to launch. If that doesn't work, you can try reinstalling the application. To do so, uninstall Spotify from your system and then download and install the latest version from the official website. Lastly, if these steps fail, you can check for any conflicting applications that might be interfering with Spotify. This could be security software or other music-related apps. In case Spotify is not playing music, first, ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Music streaming relies heavily on a smooth connection. If your internet is the problem, you can try lowering the streaming quality. You can adjust this setting in the app settings. Let's go to the settings, select audio quality, and choose a lower bitrate. If none of these options work, you can try clearing Spotify's cache. To do so, navigate to your settings, select storage, and then click on Clear Cache. And in case you forgot your Spotify password, you can reset it using the app. Go to the login screen, click on Forgot Password, enter your email address or username associated with your Spotify account. Click on Send Reset Link. A message will be sent to your email containing a link to reset your password. Follow the instructions to create a new password. Now, talking about Spotify Premium, it is a subscription plan that offers additional features and benefits compared to the free Spotify plan. Some of the key advantages include ad-free listening, offline playback, higher quality audio, unlimited skips, and on-demand playback. With Spotify Premium, users can enjoy music without interruptions, listen to songs offline, stream high-quality audio, skip tracks without restrictions, and play any song instantly. Overall, Spotify Premium enhances the music streaming experience by providing greater flexibility, convenience, and sound quality. Last but not least, let's look at some developer information about Spotify. Spotify was founded in 2006 in Stockholm, Sweden, by Daniel Ek and Martin Lorentzen. It launched publicly in October 2008. As of 2023, Spotify has over 500 million monthly active users, including 210 million premium subscribers. The service is available in most countries worldwide and boasts a catalog of over 100 million tracks and 5 million podcast titles. Hey, and that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more informative tech videos. We'll catch you in the next one.